Hi, this is Adam from Stafford Audi, and this is a stunning Audi TT 2.0 TFSI 45 S-Line S Tronic, which we currently have in stock. It's done around 50 miles, it's a coupe, it's petrol, it's automatic, and it comes in Mythos Black. We've got the high gloss black grille, the 19-inch alloy wheels. We've got the S-Line styling pack with the S-Line front and the rear bumpers. We've also got the sports suspension, which offers a firmer and sportier feeling to your journey. It also comes with rear parking sensors, really helpful when you're trying to get in those tight car parking spaces at the supermarket. A quick look in the boot for you. The boot can hold approximately 305 litres. It's pretty spacious actually for a coupe.
Jump in the car, we have got the Aluminium S-Line plate.
In terms of the interior of the car, the inlays are in the matte brushed aluminium and the seats are half Alcantara and half leather black.
Right, so we've got the multi-functional steering wheel here with the S-Line logo at the bottom. So you can personalise the cockpit display, so whether it's information about the vehicle you want to select your favourite radio station, you just scroll up or scroll down. Once your phone is connected via the Bluetooth, you can access your phone here, and maybe you want to check out the satellite navigation system. You scroll out and also zoom in. You can change view as well, just hit view there. So you can personalise it to however you want. You've got the pedal for the cruise control. Got the light controls down here. And you've got the air conditioning just here. And then, as mentioned, it is automatic. In here, you've got a bit of a compartment with two USB ports in there and an aux, plus the Audi phone box as well. So you pop your phone on there, it will charge your phone wirelessly, and it'll also give it a stronger signal boost as well. To change your sat nav and program it, you use these controls here. So if you hit sat nav, it'll ask you which destination, and you can choose there. Again, if you want to hit your phone, you can do there. Radio, as mentioned, and also your media, so whether it's a USB or your phone on Bluetooth there. You've got your electric handbrake there, cup holder there, and a bit of a compartment here. Another storage compartment there as well.
If you would like any more information about the stunning Audi TT 2.0 TFSI, please give us a call here at Stafford Audi on 01785 319 041. Thanks for watching.